G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's May 2nd, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. On the weekly and daily, and the hourly charts, and we look at the weekly first, and then we look at that for trend. So at the moment, you can see there's a zooming out. That price is in a nice little bullish movement, but it has lost its buy signal on the weekly, and that buy signal is a combination of the triple moving average of the price chart, and that's moving average 3, 5 and 60, and the moving average on the CCI 150, which is a moving average 5 and 50. They need to be in alignment. You can see there the CCI is broken to the downside slightly, so we avoid going long, even though the moving average of the price is showing a long entry potentially. So that's the trend. Avoid long or short trades until it confirms one way or the other. On the daily, similarly, you can see there it's uncertain, so we're waiting for a signal on the weekly, and then we look at a daily potential before taking trades on the hourly. On the daily, you'll see there is a slight divergence on the CCI versus the price chart, and that may possibly break to the downside, and we've got this diagonal ascending trend line along those bottoms and that through that range, but also this descending trend line as well, causing this wedge. Higher than that, we've got this resistance at 20.47 and this key support area at 16.17. So it's got to respect those levels, but also notice there's this flag. We've got to be mindful of this wedge forming. But again, it's undecided whether we should go long or short, so avoid trades at this point. On the hourly, and if I zoom out, you can see that wedge more clearly. I've also got this Fibonacci retracement. This one here was showing it did bounce off the 61% level from that, and then it made further highs, but then this range here between that high and that low, it's currently sitting around and just broken below this this 61% level. So that's not a strong signal. It should be higher than that 61% to be more confident, but again, it's in this little wedge, and in the coming hours we should see it break, most likely below, but possibly above as well. So, and as a trading idea, but again, we're not telling you to go long or short at the moment. We'll wait till we get a signal from the weekly and daily. But as a trading idea, we'll wait for it to break out of the fractals before we take any positions. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page for exclusive access to weekly stock scans, ready to purchase using one of the many average down strategies. We scan for stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel video, and speak to you in the next video.